Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear learners. How are you? I think you all are good. I'm also good. So, thank you so much for joining this session. This is a course where I will teach you everything in English. Okay? And this is podcast 16. Okay? In my previous podcast, I taught you what is sentences, and there are five types of sentences according to the meaning. What is it? First one is assertive, right? Assertive. First one is assertive. Second one is interrogative. Interrogative. Okay? And third one is imperative. What is it? It is imperative. Imperative. Okay. Number four is optative. Okay. Optative. Number five is exclamatory. Exclamatory. These things I taught you. These things I taught you in my previous podcast. And today I will discuss about these sentences. Okay? In English grammar, there are five types of sentence. Number one, assertive. Number two, interrogative. Number three, imperative. Number four, optative. And number five, exclamatory. Okay? And in this podcast, I will teach you these things properly. Today, I will complete these things. Okay? So, let me know that if you are interested to learn English, if you are interested to speak English fluently, please watch my all podcasts so that you can improve your speaking as well as listening. As you know that I am speaking so slowly so that you may understand all my sentences that I am using in this video. And there is no cut in this video. Okay? So thank you. And I think as a new creator, I'm a new teacher, English. So please support me. I think you must support me. Okay? So let's go to the topic here. I'm going to teach you these things. I've already taught you what is assertive, what is interrogative, as well as imperative, optative, exclamatory. Today, I will just summarize. Okay? So, assertive means description, describe. Okay? Describe something. It is called assertive sentence. Now, you got it. Okay? Interrogative sentence, which means questions. Interrogative means questions. These things is very simple if you understand it clearly. Okay? And imperative means order, demand, command, okay, request, come here, go there, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, like this. This is imperative sentence. Then we have optative, which is prayer. Optative means prayer. May Allah bless you. May Allah help you. These things optative. An exclamatory sentence is very interesting. Okay, exclamatory sentence means exclamatory sentence means suddenly a feeling like wow, how beautiful it is. Wow, how beautiful the video is. Wow, how intelligent you are. Like this. Okay, or alas, you are dead. Alas, your father is passed away. Okay, like this sentence. Okay, so I just taught you what is sentences. If anyone asks you that how many types of sentence are available in English grammar according to the meaning. Okay, according to the meaning. According to meaning, there are five sentences. How many? Five sentences. Okay. These are five: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence. Okay. And if I tell you something about my podcast, in this podcast, I am teaching you everything that you need to learn to speak English. Okay. So here, as you can see, today is my podcast number 16. In my previous podcast, in the previous 15 podcast, I taught you parts of speech. Okay. Parts of speech. Okay. Then I taught you just now, which is sentences. Sentences, right? I completed these things. You know, parts of speech is very important in English grammar. Why? Because if you can learn parts of speech, you can identify any word from any sentence. Okay? So if you can identify it, you can make sentences. Okay? So that's why parts of speech is very important in English grammar. I think that you will do all my classes that I did, that I made. Okay? So let's today I will give you another topic, which is there are three types of sentence. Three types of sentences. Let me write it. There are three types of sentences. Okay. And you can see that I'm speaking English slowly and you can understand my topic. If you want to improve your English, you need to listen fast. You need to listen English speaking. That's why I am making this video. Okay. I can speak Bangla. I can teach you these things in Bengali language. But why am I speaking English? Because I want to enhance, I want to improve your listening. Okay. And if you can understand my class, if you can understand my speaking, you can speak someday. Okay. That's why if you listen to me clearly, you can improve yourself. Okay. So our topic today is there are three types of sentences. Sentences according to the structure. Okay. According to the structure. If anyone asks you how many sentences are available according to the structure, you have to say three. How many you will say? Three. Okay. Number one, let me write it and let me clean this board to write the sentences, which is number three. Number one is simple. Okay. Number one is simple and number two is complex. Okay. And number three is compound. And this podcast only for 10 minutes. Okay. If you watch this podcast and every podcast that I made, you can improve your speaking. You can improve your listening. Okay. And I can make sure it. If you watch every podcast of mine, then you can speak better than me. So here, according to the structure, there are three sentences are available, which is simple, complex, compound. In the next podcast, I will discuss about simple sentence. Then after, I will discuss about complex sentence. Then I will teach you compound sentence. Step by step, I will teach you everything that you need to learn in English. Okay? So, please listen to me. If you want to improve your English, you have to listen first, then you can speak by yourself. Now, you can repeat with me so that you can improve yourself. Okay? So, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button so that you can get my next video very fast. Okay. And every day I am making one video like this so that you can improve yourself as well as I can improve myself. And like this you will get 100 video. Okay, you will get 100 video. This is the video number 16. Okay, this is the video number 16. Like this, I will post 100 videos. In these videos, I will teach you everything in English: tense, parts of speech, sentences, voice sense, okay, everything that you need. Also, I will focus on your comment. If you have any demand, I will make video about them, about this topic that you will provide me on the comment box. Okay? So thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe. And always remember online, which is I never lose. I either win or learn. So if you watch my podcast as well as here is one course available in my playlist. If you do that course, the course is in Bangla language as well as English. So if you don't understand this podcast properly, please watch that course so that you can improve yourself. After completing that course, please come here and complete this podcast 100 days. Okay? So this is my request. If you don't understand anything from this podcast, then you can watch that course and you can complete that course. After completing that course, you can do my podcast. Okay? So thank you very much and don't forget to share your opinion. Your opinion is very, very important because I am new creator. I'm making this video for you. So if you tell me anything for me, this is very important. My video is good or bad or anything, whatever you want to say, you can say. There is no problem. Okay? And also in this podcast, I did a mistake. You have to find that mistake. Okay? So this is the things today. So thank you so much.